Welcome to the future of testing with BlazeMeter, where speed meets quality and reliable software delivery becomes your new standard. The journey to achieving continuous testing can be filled with challenges. Limited time, diverse skill sets, complex test data, environment availability, and the need for continuous monitoring, just to name a few. But with BlazeMeter as your partner, these challenges become opportunities to excel and ship testing left at scale. BlazeMeter's unrivaled continuous testing suite offers robust capabilities to address those roadblocks head-on. Conserve valuable time by streamlining with test automation. Empower testers of all skill levels with low-code and no-code solutions. Simplify test data generation and management with BlazeMeter's AI-driven Test Data Pro. Break free from environment dependencies with world-class service virtualization. Keep your finger on the pulse of all things performance with advanced reporting and analytics. With BlazeMeter, you have everything you need in one comprehensive solution, eliminating the need for multiple vendors and fragmented testing strategies. Performance testing. Massively scalable, open source-based tests for web, mobile, microservices, and APIs. Functional testing. Leverage the flexibility of open source tools to validate user experience and back-end component performance under high demand. API testing and monitoring. Ensure peak API reliability, efficiency, and security with end-to-end testing and monitoring. Load testing. Simulate over 2 million virtual users from 56 global locations with the ability to drive load from behind your firewall. Service virtualization. Eliminate dependencies and test faster by configuring and integrating virtual services directly with your BlazeMeter tests. Test data generation. Transform your testing with optimized test data generation, expanded coverage, increased accuracy, and enhanced application resilience. Step into the future of testing with BlazeMeter and unleash the full potential of continuous testing. Together, let's achieve unparalleled excellence.